So we just had Lenny come by and drop off some parts. And what he told me was, a lot of people think that this whole $25 paint thing is a scam. He's just dropped off 2 bumpers and I'll get them sorted. I've got another customer that already dropped off 2 bumpers and they're gonna be sorted. And I just wanna go through that it's not a scam. It's genuinely me asking people to give me stuff so I can paint, just so I can do something. But unfortunately, I've been getting a lot of other messages like, hey, do you do panel repairs? Hey, can you fix my quarter panel damage and stuff like that? No, it's strictly just bumpers, because bumpers can be removed nice and simply. Other people that are asking for fenders and stuff, sure, I'm happy to do it, but you have to give me the part. I'm not taking cars, I'm not taking it off your car. I just want a bumper, fender, removable panel, and just to do it. And the furthest extent to that would be no hard lids. I don't think I want to do any hard lids because they're just too big. And with big services, dust kills them. Like, dust absolutely kills them. And I'm not in the environment for sorting out dust issues. So let's just keep it to bumpers. That way, if we get dust, then not many people are going to see it. So like I said, we just had Lenny just drop off his stuff and you guys can enjoy his reaction video to the goat cart. So thanks.
Where to go?
Just go, well, this whole area is a circle, so.
Alright, I'll just do a couple up and downs.
Yeah,
and then,
go up and down and get comfortable and stuff like that, and see how you go. Just expect for people to slow down and be like, what the hell
is that? Yeah, because it's in the middle of the night. Alright.
Yeah,
cool.
Otherwise, have fun.
Sweet as.
Good luck.
Alright. Am I in a ditch?
Nah.
Oh yeah, sweet. Oh, it's a bit lower, huh, the pedals.
If the pedals are too far for your feet,
yeah.
You push on the side.
Oh, just here?
Yeah,
true.
Yeah, I've got to adjust those for shorter people like yourself and myself. So, I think the speedo's up and running. Have fun.
Thanks. Alright, let's see how this goes. Three-wheeling up the driveway. Oh shit, it's quick, eh? Holy fuck! This thing's fast as! This thing is so fast. I need shoes. Oh. I think I need to swap to shoes. Yeah. My slides keep falling off. Wait.
Take off your shoes.
Yeah.
Take off your shoes.
Sorry, man. Is it a handbrake?
No.
I've got.
Just let off the brakes and I'll catch up from behind.
You got me?
Yeah, you have shoes?
I got shoes in the car, yeah. That's crazy fast, Mark Q, yeah? Like, it's so. How do you say it? It's so like responsive, right?
Yeah, it's electric.
Yeah, I've never experienced it, right? I think last time I looked at it was like 74 maybe. But it when you're at speeds, you could feel the no suspension, right?
Very twitchy, very twitchy.
Do I turn left into this street and then it comes around?
You can turn left in the street and it'll be a dead end.
Oh, okay. All right.
So
Sweet.
You go all the way down. It's a pretty much dead end.
Yep.
And then you just come back down. So
Aye.
leave it. Push out. And just use the torque to pull yourself out.
Yeah. Ah, that's better with the shoes. That's way better with the shoes now. Woo. Time for a U-turn. $40, $50, $60, $70. Woo! Taking corners at 70. Yeah, it slide drifts too. Alright, one last drift back to queue. I love it, man. This thing's sick. This thing's so good. Back in there?
Keep them going through.
Too fat. Fuck, this thing is such a sick build, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
So low to the ground, yeah?
Yeah.
Is that normal?